There was a man and he was mad, so he jumped into a paper bag. But the paper bag, it was so thin that he jumped onto the tip of a pen. But the tip of the pen was very sharp, so he jumped into an Irish harp. But the Irish harp, it was very pretty, so he jumped onto the back of a kitty. But the little kitty began to scratch, so he jumped onto the cabbage patch. But the cabbage patch was way too big, so he jumped onto the back of a pig. But the little pig began to tickle, so he jumped onto a big dill pickle. But that dill pickle was oh so sour, so he jumped onto a big sunflower. Then along came a bee and stung him on the chin. And that was the end of him. Oh boy, that's so sad. I hope you enjoyed this book. See you next time.